Hello everyone, welcome to DC Minds. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. And in this video, we are going to learn another C programming concept called do while. So let's see what is do while. So before proceeding further, I would recommend you watching my video on while loop if you don't know the concept of while loop. If you know the concept of while loop, it will be easy to understand this do while loop. So do while loop is similar to while loop, just there is a one difference here. In do here we just what we do here is first we execute the code inside this do while loop, means the body of do while loop, and then we check for the condition. So in while loop the condition will be checked first, and then code will be executed based on the condition if it is right. So but here what we do is at least we execute this code at least once, and then we check for the condition. So let's understand this by flow diagram. So what will happen when we run the program and the program execution start, and when it comes here, what will happen? It will go inside this, means it will go inside this and it will execute this particular line of code, and then this condition will be checked. So this condition will be checked, and if this condition will become true, then again what will happen, this control will go here. So again whatever code is written in this particular lines or blocks, it will get executed. So this condition checking will be there again and again, and if this condition becomes false, means if this condition is false, then what will happen, this end of the loop, means it will stop the execution. So let's see it by an example. So in this case we want to print numbers from 0 to 9. So what we are doing here is we are just starting from this index equal to 0, and then initially what we are doing is do, and inside the body we have print percentage d index. So what is happening here is initially we have value of index is 0. So what will happen, it will print 0, this 0 will get printed, and then index value will become this 0 plus 1. So this index value will become 1, and now this condition will get checked. So now 1 is less than 10. Yes, it is true, 1 is less than 10. So again what will happen, this control will come here on this line, and again it will print percentage d index. Now the value of index is 1. So again this 1 will get printed, and this will keep on happening till the value of index is 9. Once the value of index becomes 10, then what will happen, this condition will be false, means 10. If this index become 10 after printing 9, the value of index will be 10. So what will happen, this 10 is less than 10, it is false. So what will happen, this will not go inside this body, instead it will come out and it will stop the execution. So in this case it will print 0 to 9. But suppose at the start only, if this index value was 10, suppose this value was 10, then in this case what will happen, it will simply come here and it will print percentage the index. So index value is suppose 10, then it will print 10, and now index will become 11, means 10 plus 11 1, and then this condition will be checked. So here value of index has become 11, so 11 is less than 10, it is false, so it will come out. So in this case it will print just one value 10. So this is how this but which is not true also, means what I mean, this condition checking at least. So what basically what is the concept behind do while is, first at least execute the code inside this body, means this particular opening brace and close brace, whatever the code is between them, at least once, and then do the condition checking. So at least one this code will get executed. So let's see what is the difference between uh, while loop and do while loop by programming example. So this is a program which uses while loop. So in this program we'll try to uh, check if the number is divisible by 2, and it should give remainder 0. So here the number is 5, and if we divide, basically this particular modulo operator gives remainder. It is used for calculating the remainder. So now this number can be divided by 2, but this it will give the remainder as 1. So what will happen, this condition will become false. So it is not giving, this particular operation is not giving remainder as 1, so this will become false. So it will not go inside this body, means this code will not get executed in this case, and this code will get executed. So the output of this particular program will be outside while loop. Whereas in this case, what will happen, this initially what will happen, directly this control will go inside this body, and then this will execute it, and then we'll check for the condition. So 5 mod modulo 2 means the remainder will be 1. So 1 is equal to 0, it is false. So what will happen, this will not again go inside this, and it will come out, and then it will print this. So in this case, inside do while loop and in outside while loop, means this line of code will also get executed, and this line of code also executed. So it will get executed at least once. So this is the basic difference between while loop and do while loop. So based on your use case, you try using while loop and do while loop. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and check out my other video for understanding other programming concepts.